Everyone, hope you all are doing fine. There is a two information which I want to share with you guys. One is regarding the name changing of the institute and the brand enhancement, how the institute officials are working for the enhancement of brand value of our CMA profession. So guys, as you know that currently, as you know that most of the you have seen that most of the candidate after completing CMA and 3 years practical experience, getting the membership number, and usually they use CMA. Okay guys, but and yes, you also saw that our website is ICMAI. Okay guys, Institute of Cost and Management Accountants of India. But when you see in company law, in company law, it is never mentioned cost and management account. You always saw that cost accountant, as per cost accountant act, you noted down it. Okay, so now our current president Visarup sir has requested finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman to change the name, so that after the proposal is accepted, so we can in company law we'll see that ki cost accountant name change by cost and management accountant. Okay guys, so this will be a good news for an CMA profession. Yes guys, we are the biggest management body in Asia, and number two after Sima London, we are the number two in the world. Okay guys, so yes, and institute officials are working day and night hard work for the brand value and enhancement of CMA profession. Okay guys, but you know that ki every people has different priority, or you can say the job. As a student, you have only one job: to complete your CMA as soon as possible. Your priority is to focus on your exams. Okay guys, and me, like me and my friends who has completed the CMA, and they have a member of CMA, their duty to work towards the CMA profession, how CMA profession grow more and more. Okay, so every people has different, but your priority is to focus on job, on your study. Your first job is to complete CMA as soon as possible. Okay guys, and as you know that institute is conducting session day by day to enhance the CMA profession. And yeah, क्या नाम है इसका, Papan sir has told in one of the session that ki different sector from the India, states from the India, their chief ministers are requesting institute representative to meet and tell about the institute. Okay guys, so as you know that yes, there is a large impact and large value of CMA. As you know that every organization, every state want to grow their revenue and reduce their cost. If you know that it is a simple principle: if we increase our revenue and reduce our cost, every organization, every sector, or every state will grow. Okay guys, so yes, institute representative are meeting with the different officials of the states. So this is the brand enhancement and brand value increasing day by day of CMA institute. So but as a student, you need to focus on your CMA and complete as soon as possible, so that you can become the member of the institute, and more member will become the large number impact will always seen in the world. Okay guys, so more CMA and the institute, there is a lot of opportunity available for the CMA. Okay guys, so but as a student, your first priority is to complete CMA as soon as possible, and you need not to demotivate. Lot of opportunities are available, lot of practice areas are available. You can do PSU in MNCs. A lot of MNCs are hiring CMA. So but first, not guys, first we need to complete the CMA. Now we cannot say, or we cannot do anything unless completing CMA. CMA course is not tough, but we have to for this topic I have a separate video. Matlab, I have mentioned, I'm time to time preparing a lot of videos for you, how to complete your CMA as soon as possible, motivational strategies, and campus placement strategy. Everything I am coming with this. Okay, so in this video I will not try to discuss about this, but I want to tell about that ki soon you will see that ki on written paper also we use CMA. In company law you also saw that in CMA, cost and management accountant. Okay, so hope the finance minister will accept this proposal and give us good news as soon as possible. So that's all about in this video guys. Hope you are doing fine and your studies are going well. So bye guys.